students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So today we are going to start the new chapter in GK, that is chapter number 3, 7 Sisters. Students, listen to me very carefully. Northeast India is the easternmost region of India, representing both a geographical and political administrative division of the country. It comprises 8 states. How many states? 8 states. The first is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and the next is Manipur and Mizoram, and another is Nagaland and Sikkim and Tripura. It is well known fact that the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura were named the Seven Sisters in 1972. Mizoram and Manipur are connected to the rest of India through Bak Valley in Assam, and it is due to this interdependence they were given the sobriquet. The sobriquet, the land of the Seven Sisters, had been originally coined to coincide with the inauguration of the new states in January 1972 by Jyoti Prasad Sakya, a civil servant from Assam, in the course of a radio talk show. He later compiled a book on the interdependence and common sense of the Seven Sister states and named it the Land of Seven Sisters. It has been primarily because of this publication that the nickname has caught on. So see students, here now I am showing you some of the pictures of these Seven Sisters, and I am going to tell you surprising facts about these Seven Sisters. So first we have to take Arunachal Pradesh. India's cultural diversity is one of the finest qualities. While everyone is quick to celebrate the uniqueness of different parts of India, the northeast is often overlooked. There is not enough written about the Seven Sisters of India that make up the northeast region of the country. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast India and home of 26 major tribes and 100 sub-tribes. The state is covered by nearly 61% of forest. See, here it is mentioned. Which adds to its natural beauty. Tawang, a town of Arunachal Pradesh, is the birthplace of 6th Dalai Lama. A little away from Tawang is Bum Le Pass, which is where the current Dalai Lama 14th is succession entered India when escaping from Tibet. Let's move to another state, that is Assam. See students, Assam is the home of Mojali, the largest river island in the world, located on the Brahmaputra River near Jorhat. Majuli has stunning views all around and is population free. The Kanjiranga National Park in Assam is a World Heritage Site and home of 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinos. So let's move to another topic, that is Meghalaya, the another state from the Seven Sisters. Meghalaya is most famous for its living root bridges. Rubbers trees have strong, flexible roots that are guided across a river and streams with bamboo. Leading to the construction of these bridges, the Khasi and Jentania hills, people hand make that living roots bridges from the aerial roots of the rubber fig tree. The state is also famous for being home to Asia's cleanest village, the name is also mentioned here, is known as God's Own Garden, is a small village in Meghalaya that is exceptionally well maintained and beautiful. So let's move to the next, that is Manipur. Manipur has the only floating park in the world. The Cable Lamjau National Park, only 48 km from Imphal, the capital of Manipur. This floating park is a swamp. Its continuous biomass vegetation is called Pumdiz. Floating on the surface of Loktak Lake, it is incidentally the only home to the near extinct brow-entered deer. Its ecosystem comprises nearly 17 rare species of mammals. So let's move to another state, that is Mizoram. Mizoram is the second most literate state in the country after Kerala. सबसे number 1 पे literacy state कहाँ पर है सबसे ज़्यादा? Kerala, and then Mizoram, and is a spot of geographical significance as well. In the Mizoram is the geographical area through which the Tropic of Cancer crosses India. Mizoram is also the home of Puzzing Cave, which is rumored to have been carved with a hairpin by a man called Mualzwata. The state is the leading producer of bamboo in India, which is also the cause for a unique problem in the state called Matam. So let's move to the next state, that is Nagaland. Nagaland and Manipur are the only two states in India where World War II was actually fought. Which World War? World War II. The British National Army selected the Battle of Imphal and Kohima to be the Britain's greatest battle in 2013. The state is also the first and the only state in India that has registered a population decline of 0.47% between 2001 and 2011. English is the official language of the Nagaland and 90% of the population is Christian. So let's come to the last, that is Tripura. Tripura is connected to the rest of India by only a major highway, NH44. The state is most famous for its ruling Manika dynasty, which had an unbroken chain of 184 kings before independence. 91% of the land under cultivation in Tripura produces rice. The state is a home to a 500-year-old temples in Tripura. Sundari Temple, among many of the ancient structure, it has a huge wildlife sanctuary. Then let's move into your book. We have to do the book exercises. Read the names of these states. So the first one is the 7 states that lie in the northeastern region of India. They are called 7 sisters. What they are called? 7 sisters. So the first question is, this is one of the largest state in the northeast region of India in terms of area. So what is the answer? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The second one is the ancient kingdom of Prayag Jyotisha is believed to have existed in this state. The state also has a number of national parks. So what is the name of the state? Assam. Question number 3 is the name of this state means the land of gems. So what is the name of the state? Manipur. Mizoram, the wettest place on the earth, is located on this state. Why it is called the wettest place? Because यहाँ पर मैसोरम इस एरिया में कब सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है? ठीक है, मेघालय के मैसोरम नाम की जगह में काफ़ी ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा हैवी रेनफॉल रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है यहाँ पे. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड द वेटेस्ट place on the earth, and where it is in the state of Meghalaya. Question number 5. Sero is the state animal of this member of the 7th state. The answer is Mizoram. Question number 6. Mount Saramati, that separates India from Myanmar, is located in this state, and the answer is Nagaland. And the last, this is one of the smallest state of India in terms of area. It attained full statehood in 1972. So what is the answer? Tripura. So students, our chapter has been completed now. So it's enough for today. You all have to fill the book exercises in book. So good day and enjoy your day.